Today we introduce a new form builder feature, the CSV Editor. Display the CSV spreadsheets as tables in your forms, sort their data, move the columns, edit specific values, and send the whole spreadsheet for printing. The CSV Editor can parse files by 6 types of delimiters, several kinds of new line characters, and quote characters serving as delimiters. Set these options at runtime, or predefine them in the form files code. You can turn the file's first line into a table header row if the values in that line should serve as column headers. If you have extra lines at the beginning of the file before the header values, you can choose to skip those first lines. CSV Editor supports a wide variety of encodings, including a user-defined one. From the editor, the user can download the CSV file, or upload a new one to the server. Try it all now in Lycia Development Suite. Visit Querix.com, or click the link in the video description to inquire.